What is up, you guys? It's Lexi J and I'm back with another quick tutorial. So I've been getting asked a lot of questions about how to transfer over once you've purchased on Bitmart over to Trust Wallet. So I'm going to make it super simple for you guys, and you can use this for Shiba Inu, you can use this for USDT, SafeMoon, anything that you have on Bitmart to send over to Trust Wallet. Now you have to keep in mind that it's based on the current conversion. So like for right now, 6.6 million Shiba Inu is how many it takes to withdraw. And I think it changes every so often. So it was 6.6 million a little bit earlier. So it pretty much equates to a little bit over or close to $9 right now to transfer Shiba. However, when you transfer SafeMoon, the fee is 2 million SafeMoon, and it's been that for a few days. So pretty much all that you would do is you would go over to assets within your Bitmart account, and if you do not currently have a Bitmart account, then I will have the link down below to create an account with Bitmart. They do have a lot of the coins that you all are trying to purchase right now, especially the hype coins, altcoins, and things like that. So you would just click withdraw, then you would paste in your address over from Trust Wallet. So how you would find that is you would just click on your SafeMoon within your wallet here. Now, if you do not currently have SafeMoon in your wallet, you're just going to click this top right button. That's the lines with the little circles on it next to collectibles. And you're just going to type in SafeMoon and make sure that it's turned on right here. So I'm just going to turn it off, and then I'm going to turn it back on so you guys can see how that looks when it turns on. And then you would just click right here. You would click on receive, and you would just click copy in the bottom left corner, and that is how you copy your address. And then you would just go over to Bitmart and you would paste the address in right here. Now, as far as the amount, if you want to transfer all of it, just click all over to the right, and then paste the address in, because obviously, deletes it off. And then all you would do is you would click withdraw. That's it as far as what you would do to withdraw it, and just wait for it to show up over here. It will show up and your transactions will appear here, and then your balance will change. That is it, you guys. That's all. It's super simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos than just tutorials coming soon. I will give you guys updates on certain coins, things that I'm investing in, different tutorials about business, finance, all of that. You guys, I'm totally all about just getting money multiple different ways and having multiple streams of income, because if you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Thank you guys so much for being on my channel.